guys, so in today's video we're making such a delicious, crunchy, and summery recipe. So we're making a chocolate shell. Now this is specifically made for ice cream. You can put it in cupcakes or something else, but I totally recommend you putting it on ice cream. So the ingredients we're gonna need are chocolate and coconut or sunflower oil. In case you don't have sunflower oil, you can use coconut, or if you don't have coconut, you can use sunflower. So this is 30 grams of coconut oil. This is 100 grams of chocolate. We're using milk chocolate. You can use any chocolate, like white chocolate or brown chocolate or anything you want. So just make sure that this is 5 tablespoons or 30 grams instead. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put chocolate right in this. Now before I go on to putting in my coconut oil, I want to show you how the texture of the chocolate is. You see how it's really creamy and nice? So then we're going to put in our coconut oil just right in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to microwave it for about 1 to 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now this is depending on your microwave. Just check it a bit of times to see when it's melted. So I'm gonna put this in my microwave. And I'm gonna see you when it's microwaved. So it's been 1 to 1.5 minutes and this is completely melted. So now we're just gonna stir this around until it's one mixture. Now you'll see that at the start it doesn't combine, but then after mixing it for about 10 to 20 seconds, you'll see that it starts to combine and become one mixture. So mine is just starting to combine right now, and with a lot of mixing, it will start melting more and more. And I also wanted to tell you that with all the mixing, it will become nice and glossy. So I'm done mixing. You can see it's still kind of lumpy, but you can always fix that. So right now it's finished, I think. And the texture is just about enough. So I want to introduce you my magic hand. It's like a partner, and whenever I need something, he'll give me it. So right now I need some ice cream, of course, to serve. So thank you, magic hand, and really just bye for that. So we're gonna take some of this dark chocolate, not this, because it's still hot and it'll be hard for it to freeze. So I'm just gonna take some of this chocolate. I'll go right in there. In a moment, I'm going to show you how it sounds after it's frozen. Yeah, now you just need to give this a bit of time so it freezes. And you can put just about 3 tablespoons. Now this is depending to your likes on how much chocolate you want to put. And this is freezing quite quickly. The sunflower oil freezes a bit slower, but still as good. So we're just going to give this about like 10 seconds to freeze. And you can just see chocolate starts to become like an iceberg, like just one nice brick. So we're just gonna wait for it, and you kind of see it's getting one nice iceberg, I can say. So now this looks like it's frozen. I'm going to show you it's amazing and how hard and crunchy it sounds like. You hear this? You see how crunchy it is? So I'm just going to give this a little try because why not? It's so delicious, right? You got that really good crunch from this. So yeah, please like, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, this was the video. I have to make your homemade chocolate shell. So yeah.